Make these beautiful birds fly off the page with your coloring creativity. IRONPOWER Publishing, Bird Coloring Book Volume 1, Parrot Coloring Pages. Comes with 51 detailed parrot illustrations from magnificent watercolor paintings over a century old. Each coloring page is printed on one side only, for the best coloring experience. The back cover shows the original Parrot watercolored paintings to use as a guide for coloring. Order your copy today. Available now at Amazon.com. Click on the link below to get your book from Amazon. Bird Coloring Book Volume 1, Parrot Coloring Pages, available now at Amazon.com.